You may feel that PDF is merely a file format for storing files that cannot be altered but must be freely shared and printed. But did you know that this PDF document you're reading has the potential to create thousands of dollars in 100% passive income for me? Yes, you heard it correctly. The only catch is that you must watch every second of this video and take proper action at the conclusion. Otherwise, this will not work, since moving ahead will lead you to overlook critical facts and leave you unclear of what to do. Although this is a terrific and genuine way to earn a lot of money online, it's not a long-term strategy for producing money, and it will not make you rich with everything out of the way. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave some comments below. Let's get back to the video now, shall we? The first thing you should do is go to Google Docs. Go to Google and search for Google Docs, or go to docs.google.com and enter the URL directly into your browser. What matters is that you go to this site where you'll compose a PDF document that will make you money somehow. Of course, this brings the issue of what you will include in that paper, which will serve as a guide to be more specific. In my case, I created a step-by-step guide to Instagram development. It doesn't matter who starts the direction, it doesn't make a significant difference. It also doesn't matter what you build the guide about, it only matters that you do it. The topic might be anything from losing weight to gaining muscles to developing a YouTube channel to cryptocurrency and anything in between. The only thing that counts is that the guide is helpful to as many people as possible. The greater the number of people who benefit from the direction, the more money you may earn from it. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to use the like button and subscribe. And it is for this reason my Instagram growth plan is an excellent example to utilize, since Instagram is a viral social media site used by billions of people all over the world. My guide to increasing on Instagram will be of assistance to a vast number of individuals, which is the most critical factor, as I have indicated earlier. I'll explain to those who ask how you would go about creating a tutorial on something you have no prior experience with. Here's how to accomplish it. Google it. That's what I did to find out how to do it. In truth, all you have to do is use Google to do some quick research on the subject your guide is based on, and then write a focus in your own words. For example, you might look for a guide on Google that you want to write and then write your guide from that. In my case, I used Google to find out how to expand on Instagram and found some helpful information. You may then choose to see some of the instructions that you have been provided. So instead of copying and pasting, you'll write down what you've just read in your own words to prevent any potential copyright difficulties in the future. You can create a tutorial on something you don't know much about because of Google's help. Step 2 is to sign up for an affiliate program with any affiliate marketplace you like, such as Digistore, 24, ClickBank, etc. You will also likely want to register for the platform and ask questions, which I will not go into in detail since it is rather elementary and would make this session unnecessarily lengthy. In the next step, you must locate a promotion to publicize. You may earn money on autopilot by marketing anything as an affiliate, enabling you to contact hundreds of individuals interested in the product or service you are offering. Affiliating is one of the top ways to make money on autopilot for anyone. If you can create content, you can make money promoting your links on your sites. Affiliate links can be enabled in more ways than just websites. You can also encourage them on social media accounts or an email list. In any case, your guide's content will define what you will be able to market. To create affiliate marketing websites that run on autopilot, Step 1. Affiliate marketing basics. Step 2. Research your niche. Step 3. Set up your website. Step 4. Write quality content. Step 5. Apply SEO. Step 6. Promote your website. Step 7. Track your efforts. Because you want your guide and the product you're selling to be in the same region, you'll hunt for a weight loss product to promote if your companion has a weight loss component. A YouTube growth guide will direct you to YouTube growth tools such as Anger, designed to help you increase your channel. I'll be searching for Instagram growth products on digishop24hour.com when it comes to my scenario. It's only a matter of picking something worth promoting and paying close attention to the commissions, which should be at least 40% of the total revenue to increase the profitability of marketing. You also don't want the market overly low-priced items since you won't earn nearly as much money on each transaction, regardless of whether or not you get a commission. This object serves as a fantastic example of the point. Each sale would give me a particular amount of money in addition to a certain proportion of the commission, which is pretty excellent. If 100 individuals purchased it, I would earn a significant amount of money in entirely passive income, which isn't bad. Get your affiliate link for this product now while the opportunity still exists. Simply clicking on advertising now would be sufficient to generate an affiliate link for a product or service of my choice. Then go back to your lesson and paste it in there. Here's a piece of advice. Make use of a service such as bit.ly.com to shorten the URL to offer before proceeding. You're putting yourself in danger. If you use a standard affiliate link, it will be rather apparent that you are promoting anything, and people will be less inclined to click on it, although it will almost surely increase the numbers of clicks if you shorten it using Bitly. You will not want to put into it your guide since it will seem unprofessional. As an alternative, you should place something next to it to encourage visitors to click on it. Because I'm utilizing a product designed to assist others in growing their Instagram accounts, I wrote about the best approach to increase on Instagram. This is another instance in which what you do is dictated by the product you promote. You may add anything like the most excellent business development course or something similar in a business growth offer. And now that you've done that and included the affiliate link in your guide, you'll be able to make a significant amount of money from it. Upon opening, they will discover all of these free Instagram development ideas and approaches, which suggests that I am interested in helping them in this respect. The traffic source is the last piece of the puzzle to be completed. Men and women, this website, Quora.com, is arguably the best available in this specific situation. For those unfamiliar with this site, it is a community-based website where you can come and get answers to any question you could have. And now guys, here is the item that makes this website the most enjoyable to visit. Every month, about 500 million users come to see the site. For this reason, you might consider using the popular game Quora as a source of traffic since it is rather popular. Please remember that generating thousands upon thousands of dollars involves hundreds of clicks and transactions. Quora is visited by millions of people every day, so you will almost likely get many responses to your question. However, you must first register an account on Quora, and I will not go through creating a bill again. As a result, I will not be producing this video anymore. You'll be required to ask a question regarding your guide once you've signed up, regardless of how you choose to proceed. In my particular scenario, I was interested in learning how to increase my Instagram following. The result of this will be to identify people who are interested in learning about Instagram marketing tactics, making them perfect consumers for my business in the future. I'm almost finished. All I have to do now is copy the complete guide that I recently saved to my computer and paste it into this forum as a response. After that, I went through the procedure again for all of the questions I could find. Said, that's all there is to it. That is the whole of the task that has to be completed. You'll be able to relax while your affiliate link is being clicked regularly by others. If you can answer as many of these questions as feasible and coming to court is popular, it's nearly a given that you'll be successful. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're gonna wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.